Hi everybody, my name is Erin Bear and I am an environmental policy and decision-making major with a specialization in policy and governance and a minor in international relations and diplomacy.
I'm Evan and I am majoring in environmental policy and decision making. My specialization is policy and governance, and that's actually a huge reason why I chose my major.
I chose my major because when I was a junior in high school, I wrote an essay on climate change and found that I was very interested in the social implications of environmental problems. So I decided I wanted to further delve into that with my major, and so far I've loved every single second of it.
I'm on a pre-law track because I'm very interested in working with corporations, and I want to be able to help communicate environmental risks and concerns to like the public or consumers.
My favorite class that I've taken for my major is ENR 3470, which is Religion and Environmental Values. I love that class so much because it really opened my mind and it was discussion based, so it was very intriguing to hear the opinions of my peers and how they viewed the topics that we covered that week.
My favorite class so far, I have two actually. My first favorite class was a soil sciences class, and I went into it unsure because I don't know anything about soil, but I came out of it amazed. It was really cool. The other class I thoroughly enjoyed was at the John Glenn. I took a public management class, and it was really interesting. It's pretty much what I hoped for actually. So I was very pleased with that as well.
Once I graduate, I hope to work for a nonprofit organization and do environmental advocacy, or work for the government and do compliance with the National Environmental Policy Act.
Advice I'd give to people in my major, and really any major, is to get your general education out of the way first, because that leaves you with more time to figure out, are you in the right major, how do you feel about school, and I think it's a nice sort of padding to have.
Finally, my advice I would give to somebody who's exploring this major is to definitely stay engaged in the classroom because it helps you learn, and then to keep up with environmental news because you're able to apply what you're learning in the class to what's going on in the real world.